I feel like Catwoman putting on my mask. This is on super tight. Like literally this is as much as I can move. My skin feels way tighter than normal. What if you could diagnose your own skin to see if it was lacking elasticity or moisture or both just by putting on a face mask? Enter the mummy pack. That's what this is supposed to do. I'm so excited to try this for the very first time. I have a feeling I'm going to be lacking both of those, but we'll see. And we'll also be able to see a before and an after of how it works. So here is what you get with the mummy pack. Activator, there's our brush that we're going to use 8 of these. So these are the powder. Okay, the powder is like a light gray color. Dump all the activator into it. Mix it up with the brush. All right, here we go. Let's mix it up. And now let's paint. I'm at the halfway point. I could barely talk. It's so tight. So just this little movements are causing some cracking, but just wanted to jump on. And so you can kind of feel it tightening on your skin. And there is a smell. Someone said in reviews it's like a wet dog smell, and now that's in my head, and it's totally what I smell. Not horrific, but just know you might experience a little smell. Time's up. Okay, so I know I'm gonna talk, it's gonna like crack like crazy. I'm gonna go wash it off, but I wanted to self-diagnose on camera first. Rough texture, lack of elasticity, that is totally what I have the most of. And then cracking, low moisture, right there. Okay, this is on super tight, like literally this is as much as I can move my mouth. So let's go rinse it and see the after results. It's not the easiest thing to get off. This was doing it by hand, but I really need to get a washcloth to kind of scrub at it. So my face is super wet right now. I'm just getting the rest of it. Anything that hits the hairline, it's a little bit more difficult to get out. I'm gonna get this all off and then be right back. Here is the after. So as far as my skin feeling, it feels very soft. It does feel a little bit tighter than when I started. And it just feels super clean, like it purified everything. Just followed up with a balancing serum, and within minutes, my skin feels way tighter than normal, way firmer and tighter. So I think you're going to see that as like your instant result, that your skin is going to feel tighter. It's going to feel softer, and it's going to just feel really clean. This is a really good one to give you that really healthy skin. So be a mummy. Try the mummy pack for some anti-aging goodness.